The other option, right, is assuming that you have the DAO legal wrapper stood up, is that you can start to diversify the treasury prior to token launch and sell tokens or token rights out of the foundation, the DAO LLC, the DUNA, whatever the structure is. Again, here, effectively connected income, the ECI risk is a significant risk here, right? Because typically when it comes to financing the DAO and providing some initial seed capital by selling token rights, the goal here is to not repatriate that cash through a services agreement with the DevCo. Some cash may end up flowing that way, but the idea is to really start to diversify the assets of the DAO wrapper so that it can cover its overhead expenses and continue to build this long runway. Depending on the timing of when you conduct the financing, the token sale out of the DAO, it may or may not trigger token holder governance rights. So different toggles as you're thinking about what the governance looks like, what you want token holders to have control over. Something that we typically see is that you take whatever the DAO treasury is, and you kind of split that up into a couple different buckets. So there may be a centralized multi-sig at the DAO. So it could be the directors of the organization, a security council, some other trusted advisors that control a portion of the DAO's treasury and can act unilaterally. And then there's a separate bucket that is governed on-chain by token holders. So depending on whether or not you're looking to raise that financing through a sale from the token holder controlled bucket, right, from their on-chain wallet, that would determine whether or not governance rights for token holders are triggered. For all of these token sales, it's to the extent that you can comply with securities laws, we strongly recommend that you do. There's really no downside assuming that you are able to. It just provides an additional layer of insulation for the foundation and also for the DevCo. And so like a new trend that we're seeing is node sales, where even before the technology might be live, their community members and some insiders are purchasing rights to operate a node in the future. And so for that, a lot of times those are structured as NFTs, where you might be purchasing an NFT now, you'll get delivery of like that NFT will be delivered to your wallet. And then that may either be paired with some sort of license to use the underlying technology to operate the validator node, or the NFT could effectively serve as an access pass to get behind a gate where you can serve as a node operator. But especially if that node sale is being done before the technology is live, and it's important again to comply with securities laws there, because that is very likely a securities offering. And so there are different platforms that you can use, like TokenSoft, CoinList, that can assist with conducting a more compliant offering.